Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks. As we always do, this is going to be for the session of Tuesday, December 2nd. December already. But got a little bit of volume today in the market. It's a little bit of a surprise. Seeing the volume as good as it was. I guess we're catching up from the late volume days we had last week. But we definitely had some movement in the NASDAQ patch. You can see the movement in the volume here in Apple. Same thing in Amazon, good movement and good volume, but not a signal on either side. Baidu, similar situation. We do have a couple of open close deviations and a number of volume bumps. Sina has a volume bump and a downside CPS. That would definitely be worth keeping an eye on for tomorrow. The financials, decent volume today for the most part. We only have one thing that's low on volume today, but I don't have a real bias in signals. Got a couple on both sides. Energy names, definitely where the action was today. We played with RIG today, RIG. On the long side, that took a little while to get going, but ultimately paid us. Notice the volumes here. The volumes are up substantially, but we don't have that dominance of signals here. We do have some good volume to work with again tomorrow, so we have some good ranges and good levels. Keep an eye on this sector tomorrow. Market generals, maybe a little bit better to buy, but fairly decent volume. Best Buy's got an open close deviation. Housing names, not as much volume as some of the other sectors. NVR's got a downside RPS with a good volume bump, and Hovnanian's got an open close deviation. Transportation is definitely on the move with the energy names. For the most part, they're a little bit weak. They had a nice short earlier in FedEx, FDX. You can see the volume there. Norfolk Southern really weak today, 4.5% almost below the day open on good volume. And finally, the commodities. Gold was very, very strong today, but we don't have a lot of signals to show for it. We do see some volume, though, in some of the names. Barrick Gold has a volume bump to the upside. Silver Wheaton, 5% above the day's open. So these things are definitely in motion and could be again tomorrow. So keep an eye on the dollar. If we do see continued dollar weakness, we could see some follow through in these names. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.